In terms of value add and opportunistic, I think we're seeing that across the board, across Europe. I mean, there's been a lot of push outside of the core scope, and that's where investors can make their mark. But it's a different type of investor base. The US private equity houses are not chasing core returns, so it's a very, very good time for them to be looking at this type of product. Catella acts also as we are more of an investment bank, and we're listing right now a product called NP3, which is a product that will be headed by a guy called Rickard Backlund, who used to run Aberdeen. The interesting thing about this product is it's focused on, if you will, if you look at Sweden as a country, this is only focused on property north of Stockholm, and there's a vast country north of Stockholm in terms of Sweden, but the population is quite low. And the types of assets that this vehicle will be chasing is sort of volume size between 5 and 20 million. It's a little bit bigger than the mum and dad buyer would normally take on in these markets like Umeå and northern Swedish cities. So it gives, but it's smaller than what a foreign investor would need to get out of bed for. So this is a terrifically exciting vehicle and something that's new and interesting from what I would call value add opportunistic side, and that's got terrific interest from the listed market. Very, very good.
Okay, and that's pan-European as well. That.
I definitely think that that vehicle that we are listing is just that's just a Swedish vehicle, okay. But the appetite for value add and opportunistic has definitely gone up in the last 2 to 3 years massively.
And in that sense, you see that across all of those markets. So this vehicle is there in Sweden, but across the other markets, you also see that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.